A setback for Congress leader Rahul Gandhi from the Surat court. The court rejected his application for a stay on conviction. Remember, Rahul Gandhi has been sentenced for 2 years in a criminal defamation case by a magistrate court. Now, to save his political career and to restore his status as a member of parliament, it's imperative for him to get a stay on his conviction. A mere suspension of sentence is not enough. While doors are open for Mr. Gandhi, he can move the High Court or the Supreme Court to get relief. Though this court order is just round one of the long legal fight that lies ahead, but it has immediate political implications for Rahul Gandhi. For starters, Mr. Gandhi continues to be disqualified and his fate hangs in balance as he is barred from contesting elections for the next 6 years. The BJP argues that the court's denial to grant him immediate relief also disproves the Congress argument. The argument that magistrate court order is legally flawed and procedurally problematic. Will Rahul Gandhi be able to secure relief from the higher courts? Will the Congress continue to hold on its argument of political vendetta? Our focus on News18 tonight.
नीरव मोदी, ललित मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, इन सबके नाम मोदी 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 कैसे?
और मैसेज इतना मुझे मिल गया है कि श्रीमान राहुल गांधी जी की जो अर्जी थी वो कोर्ट ने रिजेक्ट कर दी।
I would say slap on the face of the arrogance of the Gandhi family.
देखने पे भी झूठा और बेमानी दिखता है। जो कारण दिए गए हैं इस निर्णय में वो बिल्कुल संदिग्ध हैं, गलत हैं। कानूनी रूप से मैं कह रहा हूँ,
कानूनी लड़ाई हम कानूनी हिसाब से लड़ें, बट वी हैव गॉट फुल फेथ इन द जुडिशरी।
Well, let's give you an overview of the court observations and the reasoning behind the court order, a major order that came from the Sessions Court today. Number one, now the court argues that it can't be disputed that Mr. Rahul Gandhi was he was an MP, he was president of the second largest party. So it was incumbent upon him to have some kind of political maturity and responsibility while he was making those statements. Number two, moving on to the second limb of the argument, looking at the appellant's stature, he should have been more careful. It was in fact the argument of Mr. Rahul Gandhi that the court had placed a higher onus and responsibility on him, which is not right, according to Mr. Gandhi, but that argument was not accepted. Any defamatory words are sufficient enough to cause mental agony. It was said that the mental agony caused to a community and there are no particular individuals that can be booked on this, and that was the argument that was put forward. The court also reiterated that the comments would have definitely caused harm to the complainant's reputation. These were certain statements that were made that entailed a surname being used by Mr. Gandhi as a cuss word. Now, let's also move forward and see other limbs of the argument. On Rahul Gandhi's appeal, the court ruled that there should be a rare and exceptional case for grant of stay. Well, talking about the law of the land, it has often been said that once there's a conviction, for it to be stayed, there has to be very strong grounds. That's what the court is reiterating. The court further added that Rahul Gandhi failed in demonstrating, or his lawyers failed in demonstrating, that if the conviction is not stayed, there is irreversible damage that can be caused. Rahul Gandhi and his legal team believes that they can take this matter to the High Court. And thus, the court believes that the appellant hasn't made any case to suspend conviction recorded against him. The grounds which are needed to suspend conviction, especially in cases of this nature.